All right, here's a quick meal on the Charbroil Grill to go. It's just a couple butterfly pork chops with some Famous Dave's seasonings on them. Nothing special, but man, they turn out pretty good. And just some broccoli on the side, and I like to cover my broccoli with lemon juice. So let's check it out. Okay, very simple meal. Broccoli, fly over, pork chop. Let's taste the broccoli. It's good broccoli with lemon juice. Let's cut this and give it a taste. Doesn't that look pretty good? Fly over. Taste it. Alright, this is the second bite. The first one was really good. But really simple. Grilled pork chops. Tastes awesome. Have a great, wonderful day. Okay, I'm throwing this in because I really screwed up this chicken riggies on a previous video.
Alright, there we go. Shut up, MLB Network. Chicken riggies. Utica style. Alright, let's taste them.
They really are fantastic and deserve better than the last video showed.
I got a feeling they came out pretty good. Reggie? Oh yeah. I haven't had this in so long. Oh yeah, it's got some heat to it.
I don't know how I managed to cut the last video short, but I had to fix it.
And the chicken. I gotta tell you, again, I like to stay humble, but I'm a pretty good cook. This is really good. If the video didn't come out well, I will gladly cook this again in the house. Where it's a little bit easier to control the lighting, the wind, and the heat on the frying pan. It's just awesome. And again, I think some people make it with more like a cream, but I like it this way. I'm not a big cream fan. You taste the wine, but you know, the alcohol's burn off. But man, chicken riggies are famous because they're good.
Honestly, I think it's the best thing I posted on here in forever. So seriously, check out that chicken riggies video. Good chance I'm going to cook it again though anyways.
Alright, YouTubers. The recipe will be in the description, the ingredients. And yeah, have a great and wonderful day.
And now it's finally time for a good sunset.
That's a nice sunset. It's been a while. Been hoping for a good one. That'll do. See what the GoPro's catching.
Okay, I'm going to sneak this in here in the middle. I know a lot of people don't watch these. These are not popular or whatever you want to call it. But I always wonder, with such few views, and I'll keep posting them because I like them. I don't care. Some people always thumbs down. I tell you in the description it's going to be a sunset. Who thumbs down a sunset? So if you thumbs downed it and actually watched it, tell me why you thumbs down. Some people, I don't know. I don't see a thumbs down there. The spawning has begun, and all the little starlings weren't here, and then boom, they all were. They showed up like out of nowhere. Carp or something. I think they're carp. But pretty nice night. Been needing a good sunset. It's not quite as warm as I would like, but it sure was a nice day. And I'll say again, if you can, get out and find something like this for yourself. Because to me, there's not much better way to end a nice day than a sunset over some water. Have a great and wonderful day.